How to buy a gig or hire someone on Fiverr. Hey guys, welcome back to the YouTube channel. In this video, I'm going to be showing you how you can purchase a gig on Fiverr or how you can hire someone on Fiverr. So let's get into it. Now, before we get started, you might be wondering what is Fiverr? Well, Fiverr is a freelancing platform where you can find different freelancers that are offering their services, and you can also post an ad for a specific kind of service that you require. So to get started with Fiverr, the first thing you're going to do is create your account. So on the top left, you're just going to click on sign in or join. And once you click on join, you can continue with your Facebook, Google, or Apple ID, or you can continue with your email address. So I am just going to continue with my Google account over here. And now I'm just going to sign up and right over so I have just logged on to my account. Now once you have logged onto your account or created your account, it is going to be a very simple process to get started with hiring someone or requesting a specific kind of service on Fiverr. The first thing that you're going to do is look for the service that you're looking for. So if you want a specific kind of service, then you can just find it over here, or you can take a look at the different categories that you can find right at the top, right below your search bar, and you can just look for the kind of category that you're looking for and look for the specific categorizations that there are present. So let's say we are looking for someone to do visual effects. So if I go into video and animation, we have visual effects, and if I go into visual effects, you can see that you have certain service options and filtrations as well. So what you can do over here is you can click on service options, and then you can have a specific kind of service that you want. So maybe if you want like motion tracking or motion design, you can say that, this is what you want, and then you can have your search results filtered out. So it includes those kinds of filters. Now, after that, you have your seller details that you can set as well. So you can request what kind of seller you want. If this needs to be like a top rated seller or a new seller, usually new sellers have lower prices, so you can opt for those if you're on a budget. But if you want like high quality work that is, vetted by a bunch of people and it is vetted by Fiverr professionals as well, then you can choose a top rated seller. Now, after that, you have the language option. So you can choose what kind of language that the seller speaks, and then you have where the seller lives in. So you can choose that as well. Then you have the budget for your project. So you can enter any minimum to maximum amount that you want to allocate to this freelance project. And then you have your delivery time. So depending on how fast you want your project to be delivered to you, you can set that. Now, usually if you want express delivery, which means it would be delivered within 24 hours or 1 day, then it costs higher. Obviously, the more time you allocate, the less money that they take. Then you have up to 3 days, up to 7 days, or any time as well. Now, on your right, you have three more filters, which is local sellers, online sellers, and pro services. Now, pro services means obviously vetted professionals. Then you have local sellers, so you can choose sellers from your country, wherever you're from. And the reason for this filter is that sometimes there are time zone differences and all that, and that can cause delays in projects. So that is why you can look for a local seller if you're more comfortable with working with someone that speaks your own language or understands what kind of work you want. And then you have online sellers as well. So on online sellers, if you enable this filter, it will show you sellers that are currently online. If you like need work super urgently, like right now in this moment, then you can definitely choose online sellers. So you can choose anyone that is presently online and you can start texting them right away. Now, to get started with your hiring process, I'm actually going to go and let's say I want someone to do a logo design for me. Maybe I want someone to do social media marketing and I want to communicate with online sellers only, and I have a budget of $50. I'm just going to apply that. And now you can see the different services that people have posted. And now what I'm going to do is I'm just going to click on over here. And now once you click on a service that they're providing, you can see the basic version, then you have the standard, and then you have the premium, and then you have these ticks over here where you have the features that they give you or the basic services that they provide. So in the basic version for $15, they include paid setup and profile and vision cover. On the standard, they have analytics and tracking setup and website integration. And on the premium, they have paid setup, website integrations, and much more with banner, bio, CTA, web integrations, autoresponders, and hashtags. Now, to actually book this person or hire them, what you're going to do is like if you have like no questions about this, you can directly book them, or you can click on contact seller first and get a question. So you can click on ask a question, ask them any kind of questions you want, or you can even get a code. So if you want like a specific service, you can ask them for a price quotation on that specific service. So you can say like I want this specific thing done like that. How much would that cost me? Now, to actually book a service as it is, you're just going to click on continue over here. And then over here, you're going to find what is in your cart or what's included in this basic service. And then you have your upgrade. So you have some small upgrades that you can also make. So if you want to add any of these little services onto the basic service that you're purchasing, you can add these. So if you want a social media manager, a Instagram manager, or a source file, you can also include those as well. And those extra charges are also added over here, and the extra time is also added. So we're just going to click on over here and we're going to continue. I don't want any extras, and to book or purchase this service, you're just going to click on continue to service. And then over here, you can choose what kind of payment options you want to continue with. So if you want it to be a credit or debit card purchase, or if you want to pay with PayPal, you can choose that. So you're just going to click on PayPal checkout, and from here, you can just fill out your account information and you're going to be ready to go. So that is how simple and easy it is to purchase or hire someone on Fiverr. You can easily book any kind of gig or hire from any kind of profession you want. You can find so many different variable categories of work. There are people in every field of work working on Fiverr to provide their services, and freelancers as well. And you can find freelancers from anywhere from graphic and design to programming and tech, business, lifestyle, drop shipping, NFTs, any kind of freelance service that you're looking for. You can definitely outsource it onto Fiverr, and usually you will find the most competitive rates because Fiverr has like a lot of people using it, so it's pretty saturated, and that's why the prices are going to be pretty low as compared to you giving this project to someone that you know or someone that is working within your business or your field, because these people are providing their service online. They're from all around the world, and you're going to get a global competition. So that is why you're going to find a lot lower prices than if you were to search in your area or just post like a Facebook ad for people in your area to do that job for you. So that was it for today. I hope you guys found this video helpful and you're now able to hire someone off of Fiverr within your line of work. If you know anyone that is looking to hire someone and that wants to allocate some freelance work, you can show them this video to explain to them how to add or hire someone off of Fiverr. And if you're not able to find anyone for the specific kind of services that you require, what you can do is you can click on list over here and you can click on create list, and you can create like a custom little team and add specific people. Or if you're not able to find like anyone that can do the service that you're looking for, you're just going to click on your account over here and you're going to click on post a request, and then you can request or find someone for the specific service that you're looking for. So basically be like you're gonna put out the job details, and then people are going to text you and be like, hey, I'm interested in this, I can provide you with this service. So you can also look for the very specific services that you require, or you can just select from the people that have basically listed the kind of services that they provide. So make sure to leave a like and subscribe to the YouTube channel, and I will catch you guys in the next video.